All right, a few videos ago, I think it was about a month ago, so I was gonna make a video on this topsoil screener that we built. Built this thing probably 4 or 5 years ago, at least. And yeah, we really don't have nothing into it. Time is about it, and I think I bought this screen here. That's a 3/4 inch holes in that screen there. And then yeah, I think I bought that screen. The rest of it was actually leftover metal. That motor was left over. The bar here, this bar is just I think it's an old weightlifting set. It's the bar off an old weightlifting bench. And then some bearings. And then in here, to make it vibrate, we just put an offset piece of metal in there. Or just put a piece of metal in there to make it vibrate on one side. And then these are just springs. I believe they're just springs out of a car. And these are some old lawnmower wheels. So it just makes it sit there and shake. It makes it roll back and forth. And the chains just hold it from tipping back, you know. Yeah, this thing works great. These are just leftover pipes from something. But yeah, no, we've used the crap out of this thing. And it could be at a little bit more of an angle, but then you'd probably lose too much of your material too. So I don't know, we just set up with 2 guys. And if one guy sits on the other side and rakes and the other and feed with the skid steer, I mean, it's for what we got into this thing. You know, it ain't ideal, it ain't the greatest thing in the world, but probably room for improvement somewhere. But better than spending 10 grand on a new one, something fancy. So, or at least fancier than this old thing. But no, it really works good. Better than doing it by hand, that's for sure. So, all right, we'll shoot some clips of this thing running, and there we go. All right, guys, let's see it run. go through a lot of dirt. I mean, for what we got into this thing, yeah, you can buy something bigger and better, but for what we got like a few $100 into this thing, really. And it puts out really nice dirt. All right, there it is for screening. We got the screener cleaned out, mostly. This is what we end up with right there. No rocks in it. Pretty nice soil, really. Not bad at all for where we're at. But anyway, all right, guys. If you want to see more of that, let me know. We'll do some more screening. We're going to do a lot more of it, but all right, like, subscribe, comment. We'll catch you on the next one.